east. They're walking along now. They get into a sandstorm.
General? General?
No idea.
A moment of your time, sir.
Well, you had your moment, son. It passed you by. I'm due before the vice president in about 2 minutes, and sadly, give us a minute. Sadly, there's nothing in Lieutenant Hatch's illuminating report to justify the continued funding of Project Monarch. I am disappointed in you, Leland.
I understand, sir. That's why I wanted to give you this as a token of my appreciation for all that you've done for me.
And what's this?
It's a map, sir.
A map?
A comprehensive projection of all the potential Titan threats currently under assessment by Project Monarch.
Jesus Christ, you did not give up. Well, thank you for your generous offer. But Lieutenant Hatch has given me all the information that I need.
Sir, I believe that you'll find Lieutenant Hatch's report has omitted certain facts to justify shifting funding from Monarch to his own priorities.
Facts? Such as?
Such as Godzilla, sir.
Well, it's highly classified. Why would he have that in this file?
We didn't kill it.
What did you say?
It was sighted during the operation at Hatterum Island, sir.
This is confirmed?
Sighted by me, sir. It's all in here.
You playing games with me?
No. No, sir. I just feel compelled to point out that this was not provided by Lieutenant Hatch, but through the sole dedication, diligence, and loyalty of Doctors Mira and Randa.
Noted.
I do hope that Doctors Mira and Randa's position as sole authority over Project Monarch's scientific operations will remain unchallenged.
Why wouldn't they?
Sir.
He is ready for you, General.
Good luck, sir. You too.
He's lost it, Michelle. Shaw, he doesn't know what he's doing.
He knows exactly what he's doing. And at least he's not sitting around, Tim, waiting to see what happens next. Whose city will be destroyed? Whose family will die?
This could destroy everything. This could destroy the whole world.
Or it could save us.
Do you think this is what she would have wanted?
Keiko? She was the first one to jump in. Against my better judgment. My mission was to protect her. My job.
I know this is where you lost her. I read the file. Sounds like she was a force of nature.
And then some.
Talk all you want about stopping monsters and saving the world. This is to make up for losing her, isn't it?
Well, of course it is. But that's not really possible now, is it? But I can still honor the work that Billy and Keiko were trying to do.
I understand what you're
No
saying.
time for indecision, Kate. Especially when you've already seen what indecision can cost you. Clear the space. Let's go. Come on.
What the hell was that?
Something's coming! Get out! Everybody out! Get!
Make it back! Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa!
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.